For Aboriginal Australians, fire management is crucial for the health of their country. Large grasslands were maintained through cool burns, using fire stick farming, which would maintain an ecological balance and stimulate new growth. This artwork, Dhuuyaay, translated as fire stick farming, honours the role of the Dhuuyaay women as the carers of the land. The artwork depicts the role of fire in shaping and sustaining the land and maintaining balance in the natural world. It allowed the peoples to encourage plants and animals to thrive, which they in turn would hunt, cook and share around countless campfires as they sang, danced and ate together. Bringing Dhuuyaay into the home recognises the crucial part that fire still plays in all of our lives, and that the health of the land is intimately linked to the health of mind, body and spirit.